welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kerri. Today I'm pulling out my WeCreat Vision laser engraver to laser engrave a wine tumbler that I found at the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree recently started carrying items over $1.25 and I'm really impressed with their selection. I have found so many amazing blanks for Cricut and laser engraving projects. I spotted this really pretty wine tumbler and knew I had to have it. If you don't have a laser engraver, you could put this design on the cup using permanent vinyl in your Cricut machine. I prefer my laser engraver over the Cricut for projects like this because permanent vinyl can peel off, especially if put in the dishwasher. Laser engraved projects are truly permanent. With Mother's Day right around the corner, this would be a perfect project to make or sell with either your Cricut or laser engraver. I bought this cup for only $5 at the Dollar Tree, but you could easily sell it for so much more than that. I've seen similar laser engraved wine tumblers like this selling on Etsy for around $25. If you want to be competitive with your pricing, you could list it for less and still make a profit. As a general rule of thumb, I always try to get a minimum of 3 times the cost of the blank, so the cheapest that I would want to sell this for would be $15. We need to measure the perimeter of our tumbler, so I'm going to grab my tape measure and wrap it around. The perimeter of this is about 10 3/4 inches. Next, I'm going to go over to the WeCreat Vision laser and show you how to install the rotary attachment. So you'll see right here it says to turn off device before plugging and unplugging the rotary. Make sure the on-off switch is switched to off. Then we're going to remove these grates. So just pull them up carefully, set them aside. Right here you'll see 2 screws. You need to take an Allen wrench and unscrew those screws. This is the Allen wrench that came with the WeCreat. So we're just going to loosen these up. Make sure you place these somewhere where you will not lose them. This is what the rotary attachment looks like. On the bottom you'll see this pin right here. This pin needs to slide into this hole. You'll also see these 2 holes. These are going to go over those screw holes that we just unscrewed. So carefully line the pin up in the middle. Then we're going to take those 2 screws that we just unscrewed and screw the rotary into place. And the last thing we need to do is plug this into right here. There's little holes in it, so make sure the holes line up. So you'll see right here, there's a wire. You want to make sure that this wire goes underneath your cup so that you don't accidentally laser engrave through the wire. So first we're going to take off the lid. Just pops off. And then slide it into here. And then we need to tighten it with this little dial. You want to give it a spin and make sure that it's in tight and not wobbling. I found this mama design from Creative Fabrica and I love it, so that's what I want to laser engrave onto my cup. Creative Fabrica is where I get all of my fonts and designs for both my Cricut and laser engraving projects. I love them mostly because their products come with a commercial license, which is what you need if you want to sell things like I do. They also have millions of fonts, graphics, product mockups, classes, and so much more. They have a great sale going on right now where you can sign up for their all-access subscription for only $47 for the year. This gives you unlimited downloads all year long. If you've never used them before, I would definitely recommend checking out their site. I like to type in laser cut or laser engraved into the search bar and find all kinds of fun projects to make. If you're on the fence, you can sign up for a free 1-month trial through the link down below in my video description. But I wouldn't wait too long because that sale price will be ending soon. So I want to use this file right here. So all I have to do is click this big green download button. On my computer, this pops up and I can open it, but if you can't find it on your computer, you can look in your downloads folder. So I'm going to open up this one and then we can click on number 1. That's not the one that I want, so I can close it. Let's try number 2. Don't want that one either. That's pretty. All right, there's the file that I want. So I'm going to right click and click Save As, then save the file. Now we're going to open up the WeCreat Vision software. Open up the WeCreat software. It's called WeCreat MakeIt. Select New Project, Laser Cylindrical. Then we're going to change our material. If you scroll down, you'll find stainless steel tumbler blue. That's what we're working with. Then we can type in our perimeter, which is 10.75. Now we can upload our design. So go to upload, select that file you saved and click open. Now I need to shrink it down so it looks good on the screen right here. So if you highlight this whole design and press Control, you can shrink it down but still keep it to scale. I think that looks pretty good. Now we're gonna come over here and select Fill Engrave. I always do 2 for number of passes and then change the line density to 150. Now we need to select the color that we want it. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one. Now we can go ahead and click Start. The laser gives us a little preview right here. It estimates that it will take 12 minutes to laser engrave this cup. So if everything looks good, you can go ahead and press Send. When the cup comes out of the laser, it's normal for it to have some smoke marks around the design. That is easily removable using some plain old vinegar. This is just plain distilled white vinegar. You can buy it anywhere. Grab a paper towel and pour a little bit on there. This is what it looks like before. You can see it's a little bit smoky around the design. And then after a quick vinegar wipe down, it looks fantastic. If you want to make even more money with your laser and Cricut projects, I always recommend personalizing your designs. People will always pay more to have a name on it. Offering personalized options is an easy way to upsell your products. You could easily charge an extra like $3 to $5 for a personalized name. If you're interested in buying one of these WeCreat Vision laser engravers, they're currently on sale right now for a great price. The top package with the rotary, air assist, fume extractor, and colored plywood is on sale for $1,200 off right now. I would definitely buy the one that has the rotary attachment because that's what you need to make round projects like wine glasses and tumblers. Without the rotary, you'll be limited to flat projects. Since I am a part of their affiliate program, if you make a purchase through the link in my video description, I will make a small commission off of the purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.